Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast writing. Focus on mastering grammar and punctuation, as a solid understanding forms the bedrock of clear communication. Reading diverse materials exposes you to various styles and vocabulary, enriching your own writing. Consistent, timed practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, is crucial for building speed and fluency. To write faster, optimize your workflow. Begin by outlining your thoughts. A clear structure saves significant time during drafting. Eliminate distractions like social media or unnecessary tabs to maintain focus. For repetitive tasks, leverage templates. This can cut down writing time by 25% or more, allowing you to concentrate on content rather than formatting. Boost your writing efficiency with smart tools and techniques. Mastering keyboard shortcuts can save many minutes over a writing session. Consider using dictation software for your first draft. Speaking can be much faster than typing, potentially doubling your initial output. Remember to separate your writing and editing phases to maintain momentum and improve accuracy. Continuous improvement is key to sustained fast writing. Actively seek constructive feedback from peers or mentors to pinpoint areas for growth. Reflect on your writing process to identify and address any slowdowns. Regularly expanding your vocabulary and experimenting with varied sentence structures will make your writing more dynamic and efficient over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.